In front of me is Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Sorry, misclick. And to add an audio file, hit Files section. Now you can hold your file over here or select audio option at the top to make it easier for you to look. When you find your file, just hold it. You can also look for it in one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. After holding your file, click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to add a video one, click on Gallery section instead and tap on your video right away. I will just create mine real quick. And now, as you can see, it appeared right away. So when I click, it was successfully added. You can also add it by clicking on Folders section instead. Looking for it the same way as an audio file, holding it and choosing Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!